tagging 1.5-inch diameter EN42 T condition. Show the slip finish head and also show the colour code on the end of the bar there, so they know what the material is. Okay, and also just give them a, that's it, that's good. Okay, thanks, let's switch it on.